In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new email address to Outlook. To get started, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer and wait for it to fully load. Once you're on the main Outlook screen, take a moment to look at the navigation panel. This is where you can switch between different areas like Mail, Calendar, and Contacts. Since we want to save a new email address, we'll be working in the People section. On the left side of the screen, click People. This will open your Contacts area, where Outlook stores names, email addresses, and other details for the people you want to keep organized. Using the People section is helpful because it makes it easier to find someone later when you want to send an email, schedule a meeting, or view saved contact information. After you've opened People, look for the option that says New Contact and click it. This will open a blank contact form. Think of this form as the place where you enter the basic information Outlook needs in order to save someone to your contact list. Now, enter the person's first name, last name, and email address in the appropriate fields. Make sure you type the email address carefully so there are no spelling mistakes, missing characters, or extra spaces. Even a small error can make it harder to reach the person later, so it's worth taking a second to double-check everything before saving. If you want to stay organized, this is also a good time to confirm that the name is entered clearly and correctly. That way, the contact will be easier to recognize when it appears in your address book or when Outlook suggests contacts while you're composing a message. Once you've entered the name, last name, and email address, click Save. Outlook will store the new contact in your people list, and the email address will now be available for future use. From this point on, you should be able to quickly find that contact whenever you need to send them an email. And that's it. You've successfully added a new email address to Outlook. It's a simple process, but keeping your contacts saved and organized can save time and make communication much easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.